Hey, it's Scott from the TCM Marketing Department, and it's time for a Metals Minute. So you have a brand new Tri-County Metals roof installed and you're loving it. Well, what do you do next? The next thing you need to do is go to our warranty website and request a copy of your warranty. And it's an easy process to do. Before you begin, you just need a few things in place so that you can fill out the form quickly and easily. First, you just need the property address where the project was installed, the date it was installed, the roofing contractor, and most importantly, your TCM invoice number. Now, if you're a homeowner customer installing it yourself, you readily have access to this. If you hired a contractor, you'll need to request it from your contractor to get that TCM invoice number. That's the one critical piece of info that we use to track your warranty. Once you have all that information, the next is so easy. You just go to warranty.tricountymetals.com, select the appropriate warranty for the panel and finish you selected, and complete our quick and easy form. And once you do, within moments, you'll receive an email to the email address you submitted in the form with a PDF copy of your completed warranty information. Now, which warranty do you need? Well, it's pretty simple. If you have the Galvalume or mill finish, then you'll just select Galvalume or mill finish warranty on the site. The Coastal will be aluminum, the Max will be painted 24 gauge, and the Core Defender will be painted 29 or 26 gauge product. This has been Scott from the TCM Marketing Department with another Metals Minute. Tri-County Metals, make your next roof your last.